Subscribe to Han Tech Trends and don't forget to click the bell icon for my latest videos.
Hello, assalamu alaikum, and welcome you all in my channel, which is Ali Khan Tech Trends, and I welcome you all. And thank you for appreciating my videos. Thank you for commenting on it. Thank you for just making my channel 1,000 subscribers. So keep supporting me like this, and the support I get from India, mostly Bangladesh and New York, is thank you for all the love and support that you're giving me, and from all over the world. Today is my video is just concerned about the previous videos which are linked with the FORTNITE update, and many people are asking me about the season 6 upgrade and generic control is not working. So I've searched a lot and I just found one solution and think this solution will work on your cases. Please make sure that all the requirements are different for every computer, and maybe the requirements that I met with the game settings, maybe you're not meeting, so that why your computer is not maybe compatible, or your generic controller is not compatible. So it is just up to chance and up to the device you have and what device you are actually using, and your control which is controlling your game. So before starting, I just want to tell you all that please don't bash on me like what the fuck is this and why are you doing this and what on all that stuff. So it doesn't mean that don't know if you're not getting it. So that doesn't mean that all the people other present in the world is not getting it. Maybe your device is not that much compatible, or maybe like you're not getting it what I want to say. So you can ask me in the comments section, but please don't use abusive language, because it was very frustrating for me. After that, a lot of research just came up for you guys to letting you know the best solution of this, but you are just treating me like this, so it is just very disturbing for me. But after all, you are the one who make me successful, so it is my duty to make you happy. So I'm trying my level best to do it. So without further any ado, I'm just starting my tutorial for you guys. So first of all, you have to install the Sky drivers. I'm going to give the link in my description, you can check it from there. It's X input, and now you just get the zip file. You just have to extract the files as I'm showing you here. I'm going to extract the files here, and as you can see that I've get these files. I'm just opening the main folder and just clicking on the Sky drivers. So it just asks you to install. You just simply install, click on the install button and just get installed, and that's it. You don't have to do anything further. Then after that, there was a XO input named slogan having of a blue mark. You just have to click on the settings and click enable there, and the dialog box will open, which consists of many. There was the button settings you want to do. I just don't know that which button belongs to what. So just how I make my buttons correctly is just by using that old 360 so driver. I'm just opening it and running as the administrator as I'm showing you, and here just click on auto button, which is present below it. So when I click on the auto button, so it just automatically specifies my buttons, which buttons is allocated to which control. So I just use it as a guide and use it to put it on there. Like I just put like left trigger as of button 7, so I put it like that, and left bumper like this, and all I just set it by using the controller 1, which is actually pre-installed in my computer. And now I am just crossing it, or just closing the application without without saving it, and it asked me that you want to save the configuration, so I don't want to, so I just click on the no. And then after that, after the settings is complete, there was a button that you press in the end which consists the start or stop. I'm put it right on the right end corner. You just click on the start, and then open your game, and your controllers are there. What controller I'm using is generic USB controller. I've made a video on it that which controller I'm using, and which compatible generic pads you can which is available on the Amazon or the Raz or PK, which is only available in Pakistan, but you can find out from there, and if you want that you can just take it from online. And it is working perfectly. And thank you so much for watching my video. I will came with another video. If you have any queries you can ask me, and thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz.